Servicing your PDK transmission can be done easily by a DIYer. Just be prepared for a bit of a mess, and the fluid tends to get everywhere. Make sure you are working on a cool transmission while draining. The filter is built into the pan, so you must replace the pan and fasteners to change out the filter. Begin by safely raising and supporting your vehicle so that it is level. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. You are going to remove the under tray for the transmission, red arrow. Remove the 10 T25 torque screws, red arrows, and the 6 10mm nuts, blue arrows, on the rear body tray. Then remove the rear body tray. With the transmission cool, you are going to be working on the drain plug, red arrow, and the fill plug, blue arrow not shown. We will also show you how to change out the filter and pan, green arrow. Like any fluid change, make sure you can remove the fill plug before you drain the fluid. The fill plug is located on the left side towards the rear of the transmission and by two coolant hoses, red arrow. Unclip the hoses and zip tie them out of the way, red arrow. Use an 8mm Allen and remove the fill plug. Next, use a T27 torque and remove the drain plug. Make sure to have a large catch pan ready and one that will hold at least 6 quarts. If you're not replacing the pan and filter, you can skip to the fill procedures. To replace the filter, pan, and hardware, use a T30 torque and remove the fasteners in the order listed next. Leave 2 fasteners in finger tight until you are ready to drop the pan. There are 2 areas where you can gently lever off the pan if needed. Do not try and lever anywhere else, and never stick anything between the pan and the mounting surface. If you are replacing the pan with the factory pan, you will need to also replace the hardware. The factory hardware is single use only and torque to yield point controlled tightening method with an electronic torque wrench. Even though you have drained the pan, use care as lowering the pan, as there will still be a surprising amount of fluid in there. This image shows the built-in filter on the factory pan, red arrow. You will want to lubricate the pickup tube with some clean fluid before installing the pan, green arrow. Carefully clean the mounting surface of the transmission, red arrow, and do not scratch, gouge, or mar it. The green arrows show the valves that will be actuated when you put the PDK into fill mode. Install the new gasket and make sure the pan pickup fits into the opening in the transmission, blue arrow. Install the pan and the new hardware. The aluminum screws for the PDK must be tightened in the order shown and using a yield point controlled tightening method. A special electronic torque wrench is used for this. To ensure that the screws are tightened uniformly, tighten them on the medium setting and torque to 2.4 Newton meters or 2 foot-pounds. You will need a fluid pump and 6 liters. It should take around 3.5 to 5.2 liters depending on if you replace the pan and filter or not. Place a piece of tape on the body of the transmission and over the pan to keep it from getting fluid into the pan area, red arrow. Insert your fill tube, blue arrow, and fill the transmission until it starts dripping out from the fill hole. Connect your scan tool and set it up to monitor the PDK fluid temperature. The fluid is going to get hot, so take all necessary precautions. Start and run the engine in park. Immediately add fluid if it is not running out of the fill plug hole, and carefully maintain this level throughout the whole filling process. Cycle the shifter through all shift modes, reverse, neutral, drive at least once, pausing for 5 seconds in each mode. Move the shift selector into park mode. Closely monitor the PDK fluid temperature. When the PDK fluid reaches the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, you must command the vehicle utilizing your scan tool into the transmission fill mode. The scan tool will not enter the fill mode until the PDK transmission oil temperature reaches 30 degrees Celsius, but at no higher than 40 degrees Celsius. Note this process must be expediently followed because the oil fill mode ends sharply after 5 minutes. Continue to fill the PDK fluid while the transmission is in the fill mode until the fluid starts to run out of the fill hole. Put the PDK fluid fill plug in and torque to 26 foot-pounds plus or minus 2 pounds while the engine is still running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.